Like all other tissues in the body, the heart muscles needs oxygen-rich blood to function. The coronary arteries, which are wrapped around the heart, fill that need. In some conditions, fat can build up along the walls of the coronary arteries, reducing the supply of oxygen to the heart muscle. This buildup is called as atherosclerosis. The three major risk factors of atherosclerosis are high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and smoking. This plaque can tear, causing the body's emergency repair system to rally. Blood components called platelets stick to the fat is now exposed by the tear, forming a clot. The clot can completely block the blood supply downstream to the heart within a few minutes. Muscle cells in the heart begins to die. This is a heart attack. The heart keeps beating but starts to lose its normal rhythm. If a larger part of the heart is affected, it can stop beating entirely. This is called as cardiac arrest. Despite common misconceptions, a guy grabbing his chest and falling to the ground is not the typical presentation of a heart attack. Some people do experience the classic Hollywood heart attack, but the truth is the symptoms of a heart attack can be much more subtle. Many heart attack begins with only mild discomfort in chest that intensifies over time. Other symptoms include pain in one or both arms or abdomen. A shortness of breath may accompany the pain along with the unexplained sweating. Time is critical in treating a heart attack. This condition can be totally reversible if diagnosed and treated early. Irreversible damage begins within 30 minutes of blockage, and half of the death occurs in the first 4 hours after symptoms begin. Doctors can perform an angioplasty to reopen the artery.